Okay, welcome back. So we continue with the editing of the front end project of our students. Meanwhile, welcome to Heroic Academy. Okay, I'm about to edit a project created by one of my students. Right, he worked on an e-commerce shop. Yeah. So this is the project of Kajogbola Samuel. Okay, so Samuel, please pay attention. Like I said in my other uh, assessment, when I was assessing other project, that please and please do not take any template and edit. Do you understand? Do not take any template. Make sure that anything you are creating, you did not just copy a template and start editing it. I want you to always start from scratch. Whenever there is a competition and you are meant to build a project, make sure that project you are building is your own, the one you started from scratch. You can be looking at a template while building it. You do not copy that code of that template to save time or something like that. No. Once you copy that code and you're trying to edit it, you've denied yourself the opportunity to actually learn from scratch. And it will be quite difficult for you to truly create something by yourself without looking for where you can get a template. I hope you understand. So for you to train yourself to be able to professionally create something useful without resorting to templates, then you need to always be ready to build stuff from scratch. Okay, so that said, I'm not saying that you copy this and edit, but I'm just advising in case. Okay, so that said, now let's quickly edit this. You tried, yeah, you really tried. Okay, let me just close this up. Okay. I think this is quite good. It's quite good, not bad. Okay, this button, this button, if I'm the one building this, even though okay, you like to use the what do you call it, Times New Roman, okay, which is not too bad anyway. But this button is supposed to give a little bit of more padding here and here, or reduce the size of this shop now a bit. That's one. Then two, this best place to shop seems to be so close to the button and is so far away from this one. So move this button a bit down, give small margin, or just move this a little bit up, maybe to, if it should be somewhere here, so the button, it will be far from the button a bit. Let it not be on top of the button. Okay, good. If I'm the one building this, I will close up this space, but I just found out that you want this space and this space to rhyme. That was why you left it. Okay, which is still not bad. Okay, so down here, okay, so let's continue. I think it's okay. So the only thing here is padding. We need to give more padding and left and right. Okay, just give it more padding, like so there will be space here, there will be space here a little bit. Okay, so it shouldn't be too close to the edge. Give it padding. Okay, give it like 40 pixel padding thereabout, so it will be a bit bigger than this space. You understand? Just like you see the padding you are giving to this, if you can also give similar padding to the left and the right, that will be fine. Okay, then this space at the bottom here, I don't know why you left it. I think this should be shifted down. Let's see if you have any reason for leaving it this way. Okay, then for this button too, just remove this outline. No, this button has outline, so remove the outline of the button, give padding left and right, more padding left and right, so that this sign up will not be quite close to the button. You understand? So give more padding to the button. Let me see this one. So you see this one, how it is. There's enough padding here, left and right. Just do the same thing here. Okay, so otherwise I think your work is not bad. It's not bad actually, but like I said before, please, if you ever copied this, because I'm assuming that you copy, you know why I'm assuming this, because I've seen template that looks like this. So I'm assuming that you copy the template from somewhere and you try to edit it and add your own. If that was what you did, next time don't do it that way. Try to start from scratch. I know starting from scratch is challenging, but do start from scratch. Just know that what we are testing in this competition, we are just trying to help you become an expert, and you can't be an expert if you're copying already made project. You understand? So we're kind of trying to help you as much as we can. But if you built it by yourself without copying anything, I think you really tried. You did a good job. Okay. I think that's okay. That's okay. Even though this one seems to be far from here, this is supposed to be a bit closer. This featured product supposed to be a bit closer, and this line is supposed to start closer to this, maybe from here. You get that? And this is supposed to be a bit closer to this one. Like this image is supposed to start somewhere here. It's somewhere here. Okay, so the images seem to be far, and the same thing with this padding you give here is too big a padding to give. Same with this one, too big a padding, or margin or whatever space, just too big. Reduce it. Okay, reduce it. Otherwise every other thing is not bad. You tried. Just improve on what you tried. Then see a padding, this padding also give a good padding here, maybe 50%. Okay, same with this one, good padding, and that's okay. I think you did a good job. The other navigation part, I believe you've not done other pages. Like I said, please, when I say front end, I did not mean just the home page. Try to understand the difference between home page and front end. Front end is the entirety of the user interface of the application you are building, while the home page is not the first page. So when you talk about front end, you're talking about all the pages in that website. Okay, not only the home page. Okay, like all this contact page, shop details, all of them are included in front end. Okay, home page is this one, just built the home page without building other pages. You can use this one, just make all these small corrections. You can use it as it is for now, but try to improve later. Try to keep working on it to improve. Okay, keep working on it, so that in the next project, or the next competition we're going to do, you'll be able to come up with something more sophisticated. Okay, thank you so much. Keep doing your best. I appreciate.